I'm Bo, this is my partner Kyle.
And we own Woodward Throwbacks. We design and build furniture and spaces.
And this is our home located in Detroit.
So the building is 4,000 square feet. It's on 2 levels, but it also comes with 3 lots, which was a huge thing for us because we loved all the outdoor space.
So we've been renovating for the past year, but we decided that we're gonna move on to landscaping. I want the space to feel like I am at like a nature park.
But we made a lot of progress on the inside, so let's go take a look.
All right, so this is our living room, and what makes our house really special is that everything that we designed and built in the space is using reclaimed materials. So one of my favorite pieces is our metal feature wall.
All of these panels here were actually on the garage outside and in the alleyway. Just the patterns that were made in it, we believe it's just from the weather, being outside for like 30 years or so.
But we're really into texture, and patina is kind of our thing. So this is our coffee table that we designed and built, and it's actually made out of deconstructed oak church pews. And it's pretty perfect because it displays our book, Throwbacks Home Interiors. And we made a credenza out of bulletproof glass.
You made that credenza?
He made it. I watched and I was stressed the entire time.
So when we bought the warehouse, there was no windows in the back wall, so we added the glass block to add some more natural light.
But there was so much other amazing architectural details that we did keep, like the I-beams, the original windows in the front, as well as the exposed joists.
Joists?
Joists.
Yeah.
Joists. That's okay. So this is our lounge, and some of my favorite pieces in this space has to be this credenza. It is a multi-drawer, so it has these really cool metal drawers. Just the texture is really interesting. And then this artwork is actually a salvage marquee sign that came from a theater in Detroit, and it is the focal piece to our lounge.
This is a new chair. We sell this in our showroom. And honestly, like Ginger uses it.
I can't remember the last time I sat in that chair.
Because she's always in it.
Yeah. So welcome to our bar. We purposely put this here to help define the spaces in our home. So to the left is our living room, to the right is our kitchen, and then this is kind of where everyone wants it to be.
The cool thing about the bar is all the materials are salvaged. From the stone on the top is all from the book Cadillac. And the materials on the front, all the wood trim was salvaged from the Whitney building. And then also, even on the back bar, I believe that these were from like a car factory, all the trim here, but the glass was off of a jewelry store.
So once we're all finished having our drinks, we like to head over to the kitchen, because that's where the magic happens. Our kitchen is definitely the heart of the home. So the island is 12 feet long, and we designed and built it using salvage pine that came from an old Lincoln car factory, which is pretty cool.
We love using salvage marble. There's a lot of imperfections in it, but we love it. We love the way it looks. We love the way it feels. And I think it's just kind of like a timeless look for a kitchen, honestly.
So we place our sink in front of this particular window because I love being able to look out. There's so much amazing light that comes into our space. So yeah, sometimes I just hang out here just to get the sun. So off the kitchen, this is our dining room. And of course, a lot of the furniture we design and build. We have this custom table made out of salvage M, and we paired it with some really cool vintage chairs. Again, we love the patina, we love the story.
The banquette as well was a dance floor that we took out of a church. So I think it all pairs really nicely together. And then, we always like to bring a pop with like the art on the wall. And we have some great pieces that we've gathered recently.
So now that you've seen our home, let's head over to our shop,
where we design and build all our furniture.
Here at Woodward Throwbacks, we design and build furniture using reclaimed materials.
And we sell it all in our showroom here in Hamtramck.
And this is where we build all the items you saw in our home. Although our home is still a work in progress, it's all about celebrating the things we love.
And we accomplish that by building pretty much everything with our own hands.
So thanks for following along.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.